The Tesla Model 3 doesn't have a traditional neutral gear like gasoline cars. In conventional vehicles, neutral is a mechanical gear position that allows the wheels to roll freely without engine resistance. The Tesla Model 3 uses an electric drive system with a single-speed transmission, so there's no mechanical neutral gear. Instead, software-controlled modes disengage the electric motors and sensors. Car wash mode disables sensors and autopilot for automated car washes, while tow mode allows safe towing on flatbeds. These modes are essential for specific situations and ensure the vehicle can be moved freely. Unlike standard neutral, these software modes are designed for limited use and automatically exit after a period or when the vehicle restarts, prioritizing safety in the electric vehicle design. First, ensure your Model 3 is in park and completely stationary. On the touchscreen, tap the gear icon for controls. Then select Service from the Controls menu. From Service Options, choose Car Wash mode. Confirm the prompt, which warns that safety features will be disabled. The car will then be in neutral, allowing it to be pulled through the wash. Remember to leave the key fob inside the car before exiting. Tow mode is designed for flatbed or dolly towing over short distances. Start by ensuring the vehicle is in park and stationary. Navigate to Controls, then Service, and select Towing. Confirm the safety prompt that appears. Then shift the car into neutral using the touchscreen shifter. Tow mode disables traction control and regenerative braking to allow safe towing. It's only recommended for distances under 50 miles at speeds below 30 miles per hour to prevent motor damage. Important safety considerations must be followed when using car wash or tow modes in your Tesla Model 3. Never use these modes on public roads or highways, as they are designed only for stationary or controlled movement. These modes disable critical safety features such as autopilot, sensors, and safety alerts. This increases the risk of accidents, so always ensure these modes are only used when the vehicle is properly secured and not in motion. Always consult your owner's manual for detailed instructions and warnings. It contains important information about proper usage and potential risks. Misuse of these modes can void your warranty or cause damage to your vehicle. Following proper procedures is essential for maintaining your Tesla's performance and coverage. Ensure the vehicle is securely positioned before activating either mode. This prevents accidental movement and ensures safe operation, as shown by the warning indicators on your dashboard. To exit either car wash or tow mode, simply restart the vehicle. This will re-engage all safety features and return the car to normal driving mode. Double-check that all systems are functioning correctly before driving, particularly after using tow mode. Pay attention to any alerts or warnings on the touchscreen. Tesla's over-the-air software updates have refined these modes. The latest versions, like FSD V12.3, include AI-enhanced prompts that warn users if the car isn't securely positioned. Some models even suggest entering car wash mode when parked at known car wash locations via geofencing. Stay updated with Tesla's software releases to ensure optimal performance and safety. While generally reliable, rare software glitches can occur. If neutral mode fails to engage, ensure your software is up to date. A 2025 recall, NETS ID 25V001, addressed instances where neutral mode failed on FSD-integrated vehicles, requiring a mandatory update. Contact Tesla support if you experience persistent issues or unusual behavior. As electric vehicles continue to evolve, so do the features that make them practical for everyday use, including neutral modes for car washes and towing. One major trend is the greater integration of autonomous features. In upcoming models, neutral modes will work hand-in-hand with Tesla's full self-driving system, potentially auto-engaging when the vehicle detects it's at a car wash or needs towing, reducing manual steps for owners. Future Tesla models may incorporate biometrics for auto-engaging tow mode. Imagine using fingerprint recognition on the door handle to instantly put your Model 3 into neutral for towing, combining security with ease of use. Wireless towing apps are another emerging trend. Instead of manual touchscreen navigation, your smartphone could wirelessly connect to enable towing mode, making it faster to get help when needed. On an industry level, expect universal towable standards for electric vehicles. organizations like SAE are developing guidelines to ensure all EVs have similar neutral capabilities, making towing and service more predictable across brands. However, with software-controlled features come cybersecurity concerns. To address potential hacking risks, future EV designs may include hardware-locked neutral modes that require physical keys or secure chips for activation. These trends promise to make EV neutral modes even more user-friendly and secure. By staying informed about Tesla updates and industry developments, you can maximize the utility and safety of your Model 3 for years to come.